Many people over 60 find it harder to enjoy deep, restful sleep. They've tried sleeping pills, melatonin, and even herbal teas, yet their nights remain short and restless. Each morning, they wake up feeling as though they never truly rested. What might surprise you is that the answer could be hiding in your own kitchen turmeric. If you're over 60 and want to stay healthy, active, and full of energy, I've got something special for you. In my next video, I'll be sharing a complete diet plan for individuals over 60 designed to boost your strength, improve sleep, and keep you feeling young. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, because you won't want to miss this valuable senior nutrition guide. This golden spice is not just for color or flavor. For centuries, it has been valued as a healing root that reduces inflammation, supports digestion, eases joint pain, and helps the body relax. Modern science now confirms that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can lower oxidative stress, calm the nervous system, and stimulate the production of melatonin, the hormone that governs deep and consistent sleep. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple, natural ways to use turmeric at home to improve your sleep. They're all easy, safe, and effective, and the first one doesn't just help you sleep better, but also promotes full-body recovery. If good sleep matters to you, stay until the end so you don't miss the most important part. Before we dive into the methods, let's understand why turmeric works. After 60, the body often faces chronic inflammation, joint pain, and sleep disturbances. This is where turmeric shines. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers protect nerve cells and reduce oxidative stress. When the body is less inflamed, the nervous system relaxes, allowing the brain to produce more melatonin naturally. Curcumin also eases nighttime joint pain and stiffness, a common reason why many seniors toss, turn, or wake up repeatedly. Studies have shown that regular turmeric use can improve sleep quality, strengthen the nervous system, and bring a greater sense of calm within a few weeks. Importantly, turmeric is not a sleeping pill. It supports the body's natural rhythm, helping you return to restorative, natural sleep. Method number 3, add turmeric to your meals. Most people think of turmeric as a supplement, but the truth is it's often more effective when used in everyday cooking. Just a pinch of turmeric at dinner can make a real difference. About 1/4 teaspoon per person per meal is enough to activate its anti-inflammatory benefits and enhance melatonin production. Clinical studies show that consistent turmeric use reduces nighttime pain and stiffness, leading to deeper, more peaceful sleep. You don't need to change your whole diet. Simply sprinkle turmeric into familiar dishes like chicken soup, vegetable stew, mild curry, or sautéed vegetables with olive oil. Fat helps your body absorb curcumin more efficiently. If you're cooking for 4, 1 teaspoon is enough for the whole meal. This small amount can naturally support better sleep starting tonight. Method number 2, warm turmeric milk before bed. A warm cup of turmeric milk before bed may seem simple, but it's one of the most effective natural bedtime rituals, especially for those over 60. To make it, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into 200 milliliters of warm milk or your favorite plant-based milk. Then stir in a teaspoon of honey. The healthy fats in the milk help your body absorb turmeric better, while honey adds a calming sweetness that relaxes the mind and prepares you for sleep. Milk also provides tryptophan and calcium, key nutrients that help your brain produce serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate deep, restful sleep and reduce nighttime cramps. Together, turmeric and milk create a gentle, soothing drink that helps the body unwind and drift naturally into deep sleep. Many people notice improvements within just a few nights, sleeping longer, waking up less often, and feeling more refreshed in the morning. For best results, drink it about an hour before bedtime. You can also adjust the recipe to your needs. Use almond milk for a dairy-free option, or add a few slices of ginger if you often experience indigestion. This simple habit is safe, comforting, and supports your body's natural sleep rhythm. No sleeping pills required. Method number 1, turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is different from typical herbal teas like chamomile. It doesn't make you feel sleepy right away. Instead, it works gradually by protecting your nerve cells, reducing oxidative stress, and helping your body maintain steady melatonin levels. Over time, this leads to deeper, more stable sleep. But the benefits don't stop there. Regularly drinking turmeric tea also strengthens your immune system, supports digestion, and promotes heart health by lowering bad cholesterol. Research even shows that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can boost memory and slow age-related cognitive decline, making this golden drink a natural way to nourish both body and mind. To make turmeric tea, boil 500 milliliters of water, then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly, then stir in a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness. Avoid sugar to keep its anti-inflammatory effects strong. You can also add a few slices of ginger, a pinch of cinnamon, or some mint leaves for extra flavor. Drink about half a cup, warm, roughly an hour before bed, and save the rest for later. After just a few nights, many people find they fall asleep faster, wake up less often, and feel lighter and more refreshed in the morning. Why should be careful with turmeric? Although turmeric is generally safe when used in small amounts for cooking, some people should be cautious about consuming it in larger quantities or as a daily supplement. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid high doses because there isn't enough research to confirm its safety during these periods. People with gallstones or gallbladder problems should also be careful, as curcumin can make the gallbladder contract more strongly and may worsen pain. Likewise, those with kidney stones should limit turmeric since it contains oxalates, which can combine with calcium and form new stones. Individuals taking blood thinners or who have bleeding disorders should also use turmeric carefully because it may slow blood clotting and increase the risk of bleeding. People with poorly controlled diabetes need to monitor their blood sugar, as turmeric can lower glucose levels, sometimes too much. And those with iron deficiency anemia should be aware that turmeric might reduce the body's ability to absorb iron. For most people, using turmeric as a spice in daily meals is completely safe. However, if you plan to drink turmeric tea or milk regularly, or take curcumin supplements, it's best to consult your doctor first to ensure it's suitable for your health condition. Turmeric is more than a spice, it's a gentle, natural aid for better sleep after 60. Whether you add a pinch to your dinner, sip warm turmeric milk, or enjoy a cup of turmeric tea, each method helps your body relax and return to its natural sleep rhythm. You don't need to try all three, just pick one that fits your routine and stick with it for a few nights. Soon, you'll notice the difference. Fewer awakenings, deeper rest, and clearer mornings. Good sleep doesn't come by chance, it comes from small, mindful choices. 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 warm drink, 1 peaceful night at a time.